Of the following statements is true if n, w and I represents natural, whole and integers respectively. First, see what are these numbers. See here, n means natural numbers. They start from 1 and they go up to infinity. W means whole numbers. They start from 0. They start from 0 and go up to infinity. And I means integers. They go on this side also and this side also. They cover all the numbers which are integers. They should not be point. Means 2.5, 3.5, those are not integers. Those are called as rational numbers. So for sixth you have only n, w and I. This sign means C, you can call it elongated C. That is always known as a subset. Subset means the one is smaller than the other. Means this left one is smaller than the other. So which is true? Natural number is smaller than the whole number. Whole number is smaller than the integer. So n is a subset of w. W is a subset of I. It means this n, it will fit in w because w is from 0 to infinity, n is from 1 to infinity. So n will fit in w, and both these n and w will fit in I because I is from everywhere, from minus infinity to plus infinity. So n and w will fit in that. So n is a subset of w. W is a subset of I. You can show it this way also. N less than w less than I.